Welcome to the January edition of What's New in Kommo. First, we're excited to announce that the homepage section in the CRM is now available. This is a centralized space with essential information about the workspace, including onboarding tutorials, articles, and access to key links. We're also introducing WhatsApp template statistics. This way, you can track engagement and cost metrics for each template, identify top-performing messages, measure results, forecast spending, and optimize your campaigns with clear, actionable insights. That's not all. The WhatsApp Marketing Messages API is now globally available. Simply connect it to reach more clients, improve delivery rates, and maximize your ROI. Now, let's talk about AI updates. The new AI agent onboarding is here for new users or those who haven't tried an agent yet. Kommo automatically creates a draft agent using available business information gathered during onboarding. You can also track weekly AI performance in the new Performance tab, including leads, conversations, and response time. Finally, our marketplace keeps growing. Now we have 16 new integrations, including Bling, which imports products into Kommo, maps lead and contact fields, and automatically syncs orders. Cal.com lets you create leads, contacts, and tasks from scheduled meetings inside the CRM. And Reportei brings Kommo data together with insights from over 30 channels for a complete pipeline view. And that's it for this month. For more details, visit the Kommo support and blog page. See you next month for more updates.